two-color brioche stitch. For this stitch, you need two colors of yarn and double-pointed needle or circular needle. First, you cast on even number of stitches. Foundation row with color 1, you first knit 2 stitches. Regular knit. And then yarn over, bring the yarn front of the needle and slip 1 stitch purlwise. So always slip stitches purlwise. Slip 1. Now knit 1. Yarn over, slip 1 purlwise, knit 1. So repeat this process to the end. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. And yarn over, slip 1 with yarn front and with knit stitch. That was foundation row. You only do this once. Instead of turning the work brioche stitch, you will slide the work to the other end of needle. So do not turn and slide to the other side. Now we're gonna introduce color 2. So you're gonna work 2 colors. So alternate 2 colors. And first stitch is always knit stitch. So knit 1 with color 2, contrast color, and yarn over. Bring the yarn front of the needle, slip 1, always purlwise. Then yarn over again. Now you see 2 stitches. So you create 1 extra stitch previous row. Now we are going to purl 2 stitches together. This is called brioche purl stitch. Slip 1 purlwise, yarn over, bring the yarn front of the needle and brioche purl. As if you purl, but you will purl 2 stitches together. So repeat this. Slip 1 purlwise, yarn over, and brioche purl. Purl 2 stitches together. Slip 1, yarn over. This yarn over create extra stitch. Brioche purl and bring the yarn back. Finish with knit stitch. So first and last stitch is always gonna be knit stitch. Now you are going to turn the work instead of sliding the work to the other side. So you'll see color 1 and 2 hanging together on one side. So now when you have 2 colors, always work with color 1. So first stitch is always knit. So you're gonna knit the first stitch with color 1. Now bring the yarn front, slip 1, always purlwise, and bring the yarn over again and purl 2 together. So except the row 1, when you purl, you always have the combination of color 1 and 2. So yarn over, brioche purl, you see color 1 and 2 together, and slip next stitch, yarn over, brioche purl. And notice when you slip the stitch, it's always contrast color. So when you work with color 1, you're gonna slip color 2. Your slip stitch will be color 2. Now at the end is knit stitch, so bring the yarn back of the needle and finish with knit stitch. So first and last is always gonna be knit stitch. So here normally you turn the work, but we slide the work to the other side. That's why you need either circular needle or double pointed needle. So when you slide the work, you'll see one side has color 1, the other side has color 2. When you have two colors, you always work with color 2. Knit first stitch. This is knit row. So knit 2 stitches together. This is called brioche knit. Yarn over, slip 1 purlwise. So you see knit 2 stitches together. When you knit 2 stitches together, you have the combination of color 1 and 2. Two colors. And then when you slip, you're gonna slip the contrast color. So now you're working with color 2, so you slip with color 1. Bring the yarn over, slip 1. At the end it's knit stitch. This time you're gonna leave the yarn front of the needle and then knit 1. That creates extra loop for next row. So this time you have 2 yarn at one side, so you turn the work. So when you have a 2 color 1, 2, I always use the color 1. So first knit stitch and knit 2 stitches together, brioche knit, combination of the color 1 and 2. Bring the yarn front, yarn over, slip contrast color, and knit 2 together, brioche knit. Bring the yarn front, yarn over, slip 1, brioche knit. Yarn over, slip 1, brioche knit. Yarn over, slip 1, with yarn front, knit the last stitch. Now we slide the work to the other side. So brioche, 2 color brioche is these 4 rows repeat. So first and second rows are purl row, brioche purl, and third and fourth brioche knit row. So first and second are basically same pattern, but you're gonna work with different color of yarn. First row you work with color 2, second row you work with color 1.